and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa and we have just had a really long drive. We've just driven from Savannah at about 9 o'clock this morning and we arrived here at the Grove Resort in Orlando about 7 o'clock. It's been a really long day. We haven't unpacked. We've literally arrived, had a quick roam around, and we've been to Publix grocery shopping, and now I'm going to give you a room tour before we unpack everything. So we are in a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom superior room. We're supposed to have the firework view. We're not sure yet at the moment, so fingers crossed we have. I'm going to give you a little look of what this apartment looks like. We're building 3 and we are floor number 5. Which room are we?
27.
Is it 3?
27.
Yeah, room 27. But what is it? 3, 5, 27, I think, right.
Yeah.
So let's have a look. So as you enter into the front door, this is the kitchen. This goes through to the laundry room. Would be quite nice to have somewhere to hang washing because not everything can be tumble dried, so that would be quite nice. But they're huge, great big washing and tumbles. We've then got this great big American style fridge freezer, and this is our kitchen. One problem that we had, only the really tall cupboards there were empty, and bearing in mind that's how tall they are. So all I've done is I've moved everything that was in, I've got some empty bags there, everything that was in all the other cupboards I've moved in under the sink, and now we have space for our food. Okay, so I've done that. We don't have a kettle, so we're going to ask to see if we can get one, because obviously a coffee machine doesn't make tea in quite the same way. But we've got a nice space, so that's good. This is the lounge area, and there's little footstools underneath the table, and this is the dining area. TV. Battling with some of the lamps at the moment, so hopefully maybe
There's no bulb in that one.
Oh, no bulbs. Okay.
No.
What about in our room?
I don't know. That
Okay.
wasn't working.
And this is our view. Oh, can you open that for me, please?
Yep. From
the balcony. So we've got a view over the water park. And then let's head into, this is our bedroom. So this is the master suite. Big king bed. Like I said, the lights aren't working at the moment. So this is the master bathroom, and this is the wardrobe area. It would be quite nice to have some doors or something, because when we bring all the suitcases in, I just feel it looks a bit untidy, so I would quite like have lights or something just to separate it from when you're lying in the bath having a look at all your clothes and your suitcases. There's a great big safe down there. I've moved the rubbish bin that was beside the toilet next to there, because I feel like really you need it when you're by the sink. So big double sink, comes with little toiletries. Towels are down there. Spare blankets, a few hangers, and you've got ironing board and iron as well. I always feel that any hotel you stay in, you could always do with extra hangers. We've literally just got 5 hangers each. But I find that's the same anywhere we go. And there's just a toilet. We've got our own toilet rolls. There was just one in here. So if you're staying, you do need your own loo rolls. Big shower. Big bath. More towels and soap. And then this was the area that sold the superior room to us. There's our TV. This was the area, the solarium. Like the thought of having our coffee in the morning. And again, we've got the same view, which is quite pretty. The sky's looking nice over there. I will come back at 9 o'clock actually and see if we can see the fireworks from here. That would be good to know. It does look really pretty out there. The TV swivels, I think the idea is that you can see it in your bed or see it from the chairs. And just going to wander through to the kids' rooms. Another thing that sold this place to us with having 2 teenagers was 2 double rooms. So neither of the kids have a single bed. So we've got a double bed with big TV, big deep drawers. And again, we've got obviously the same view out there. And then big walk-in wardrobes as well. So there's plenty of storage in this room. Again, just 5 hangers though. And this light's not working either, so we're going to try and get that sorted. And Louis will be using this bathroom. He's got this room to himself, but it obviously acts as a family bathroom. Again, comes with toiletries and lots of towels. And overhead shower into the bath. And then this room has its own ensuite. So it's got a smaller window with the big deep drawers again. These lights do work, that's what they're supposed to look like. Big double bed, TV. I have read that if you want single beds instead, you can request those. Some of the rooms do have them. Nice big bathroom, towels, shower over the bath. Again, all the toiletries are supplied. And then, oh, she's got all the hangers, that's where they are. Actually, we could put suitcases in here. That means all have ceiling fans. And something I did read and that we've actually done, you do have maid service every other day. If you request to opt out, you get $10 per visit back. They do, however, come something like every 5th day. So I think we've ended up, we're here for 2.5 or 16 nights. And we've got $40 going back on my card. So to be honest, we don't need a maid service like that. I'm happy for us to make our own beds and that kind of thing. So I would rather have the money back. But that's the visit of the Grove. I will see if we've got fireworks and I'll let you know. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Any questions, please do ask. I do have another video, sorry, of when we first looked around last year. So I will link that up below, and I will also come back another time and do a little review of the hotel. We haven't actually wandered around yet. When we came and visited last year, most of the facilities weren't actually open. So please do subscribe and I will get some more videos uploaded once we've had a look and explored the whole resort. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye. I just wanted to add this little bit on. We tried to watch the fireworks last night, and we could, if we just about kind of cricked our head around the corner, we could just about see the fireworks from Hollywood Studios. We could hear them from Epcot, but we couldn't see them. We have actually spoken to somebody else, as I found other paperwork that I had, which did actually state that we had the lake view and not this view, which was supposed to be fireworks view, and we can't actually be moved until next week. So we will be changing rooms. But if you're in this block number 3, you can't see the fireworks properly, and you also have a very noisy road. I will show you. You get all the cars coming in and out. This is from our bedroom, and if they hit the manhole covers, which most of them do, because most people drive in the middle of the road, you get a really loud clunk and it drives you mad. Because it's obviously Disney, we had people, it was just continuous from about 10:30 last night. 12:30 we're just laid in bed because the road goes all the way back down past our bed, and you can just hear it continuously, and they've been going since about 6 o'clock this morning. And typical, as I'm filming this, nobody's doing it, but it's very loud. That was the fire escape. We can't find our way back into the building. Let's watch other people and see where they all... Ah, okay. Could we have come around this way? I was really worried about all the weight I'd gained already in this first week. Oh, Louise found it. I think I've actually lost it this morning. So we've just done like a mega tour of this place and got so confused. Just leaving the Grove, we're going to time ourselves to get to Target at the Rolling Oaks. We've got full ball sunglasses for Louis because he's just broken his on the shopping list.
I want these ones.
Oh, no, that's how the other ones broke.